Dear students, today we are going to studying about science and technology part second, lesson number 6, classification of plants. In this lesson we are going to studying about kingdom Plantae, subkingdom cryptogams and subkingdom phanerogams. In your textbook there is subkingdom gymnosperm and subkingdom angiosperm is wrong. Correct this. Can you recall how have living organisms been classified? You have already studied the kingdom Monera, Protista and Fungi of the five kingdom classification system proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1969 for the study of living organisms. Students, in our surrounding there are so many things which are classified into two groups. One is living and second one is non-living. Living organism can be classified into two subgroups. One is prokaryotic and second one is eukaryotic. In prokaryotic there is a kingdom Monera, and eukaryotic can also classify into two subgroups, unicellular and multicellular. In unicellular organism, kingdom Protista, multicellular organism can be also classified into two subgroups, with cell wall and without cell wall. With cell wall having another second two groups. One is autotrophs and second one is heterotrophs. In autotrophs means plants which are produce their own foods, kingdom Plantae, and heterotrophs, that means they do not produce their own food, in this heterotrophs, kingdom Fungi. And second one is without cell wall, kingdom Animalia. These are five kingdom system: Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi and Animalia, in which we have already studied Monera, Protista and Fungi. In this class we are going to study about kingdom Plantae. What is the difference between plant cell and animal cells? Plant cell is with cell wall and animal cell does not have cell wall. Plant cell contains chlorophyll, is the main organelle. In animal cells does not have chlorophyll. Basis for classification of plants. The presence or absence of organ is the first criteria for classification of plants. The presence or absence of separate conducting tissue for conduction of water and food is the next consideration for classification. At the higher level of plant classification, different criteria are considered for classification. For example, depending upon the absence or presence of flowers, fruits and seeds, plants are classified as cryptogams or phanerogams. A scientist, Eckler, a botanist, in 1883 classified the kingdom Plantae into two subkingdoms. One is cryptogams and second one is phanerogams. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी आपण वनस्पतीचं वर्गीकरण करण्याचे काही निकष पाहिलेले आहेत, ज्यामध्ये आपण वनस्पतींचे अवयव असणं किंवा नसणं, वनस्पतीमध्ये कंडक्टिंग टिश्यूज असणं किंवा नसणं, किंवा उच्चवर्गीय वनस्पतींमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या कॅरेक्टरचा निकष पाळून त्या ठिकाणी त्यांच्यामध्ये वर्गीकरण केलेले आहे. उदाहरणार्थ, प्रेझेन्स और ॲब्सेन्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट्स, सीड्स, these are the criteria for classification. Cryptogams. Cryptogams, abijapatri vanaspati. They also does not produce flowers. These cryptogams have been three divisions. One is Thallophyta, second division Bryophyta and third division Pteridophyta. First, we will studying about division Thallophyta. These plants grow mainly in water. This group of plants which do not have specific parts like fruit, stem, leaves, flowers, but are autotrophic due to the presence of chlorophyll is called algae. या गटामधील वनस्पती प्रामुख्याने पाण्यामध्ये वाढणाऱ्या आहेत. या गटातील वनस्पतीमध्ये मूळ, खोड, पान, फूल यासारखे कोणतेही अवयव नसतात. परंतु या वनस्पती स्वतःचं अन्न स्वतः तयार करत असतात. प्रेझेन्स ऑफ क्लोरोफिल, म्हणून यांना आपण अल्गी असं म्हणतो. Algae shows great diversity. They may be unicellular or multicellular and microscopic or large. For example, algae are Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Ulva, Sargassum. These are the examples of algae present in fresh water as well as saline water. Some thalobites does not produce their own food. This type of Thalobita is called fungi. Fungi like yeast and molds which do not have chlorophyll, they are included in this group. For example, Ulva, Cara, Spirogyra, these plants include in the Thalobita division. Second division is Bryophyte. This group of plants is called amphibians of the plant kingdom because they grow in moist soil but need water for reproduction. या गटातील वनस्पतींना उभयचर असं म्हटलेलं आहे, कारण या वनस्पती ओलसर जमिनीमध्ये त्याचप्रमाणे त्यांना प्रजननासाठी पाण्याची देखील आवश्यकता असते, म्हणून त्यांना आपण amphibians असं म्हणतो. These plants are thalloid, multicellular and autotrophic. They reproduce by spore formation. The structure of the plant body of bryophytes is flat, ribbon-like, long, without true root, stem and leaves. Instead, they have stem-like or leaf-like parts and root-like rhizoids. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी आपण ब्रायोफायटा या गटामध्ये मोडणाऱ्या वनस्पती या थॅलॉइड लाईक असतात, मल्टीसेल्युलर आहेत, ॲटोट्रॉफिक आहेत. त्याचप्रमाणे त्यांचं प्रजनन हे स्पोर फॉर्मेशनद्वारे होत असतं. या वनस्पतीच्या शरीराची रचना ही कशी असते, तर ती फ्लॅट, रिबन लाईक, लॉंग, विदाउट ट्रू रूट्स, स्टेम अँड लीव्स. याच्याशिवाय त्यांच्यामध्ये स्टेम लाईक ऑर लीप लाईक पार्ट्स असतात आणि रूट लाईक रायझॉइड्स देखील असतात. They do not have specific tissues for conduction of food and water. त्यांच्यामध्ये विशिष्ट प्रकारच्या ऊती नसतात की ज्या अन्न आणि पाणी वाहून नेतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, मॉस, दॅट मीन्स फ्युनेरिया, मार्केन्सिया, अँथोसिरस रिक्शिया, these are the examples of Bryophyta division. Funaria, Markensia, Anthocyrus. Okay. Then third division, Pteridophyta. These plants from this group have well developed roots, stems and leaves and separate tissues for conduction of food and water, but they do not bear flowers and fruits. They reproduce with the help of spores formed along the back or posterior surface of their leaves. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी या गटामध्ये मोडणाऱ्या वनस्पतीमध्ये रूट, स्टेम्स आणि लीव्स हे वेल डेव्हलप्ड असतात. त्याचबरोबर त्यांच्यामध्ये सेपरेट अशा कंडक्टिंग टिश्यूज असतात ज्या अन्न आणि पाणी वाहून नेण्याचं काम करतात. परंतु या गटातील वनस्पती फुले किंवा फळे तयार करू शकत नाहीत. ते देखील स्पोर फॉर्मेशन या दृष्टीनं त्या ठिकाणी प्रजनन घडवून आणत असतात. हे स्पोर्स वनस्पतीच्या पानाच्या पाठीमागील बाजूला असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ferns like Nephrolipis, Marsillia, Pteris, Adiantum, Equisetum, Selaginella, Lycopodium. These are the examples of Pteridophyta. These plants reproduce asexually by spore formation and sexually by zygote formation. They have a well-developed conducting tissue. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, टेरिडोफायटा या गटामधील वनस्पती अलैंगिक आणि लैंगिक अशा दोन्ही पद्धतीनं त्या ठिकाणी प्रजनन घडवून आणत असतात. असेक्शुअल मेथड मध्ये स्पोर फॉर्मेशन आणि सेक्शुअल बाय झायगोट फॉर्मेशन. So students, we are stop here. Next lecture on the next subkingdom, phanerogams, we will studying later.